Welcome! Today we are going to be showing you everything that comes in your SoftStartHome box. So first up, you have all of the wiring connectors, zip ties, and hardware fasteners that you'll need to install your SoftStartHome. The great thing about SoftStartUSA is that when you order a SoftStartHome, they send you everything you need so you don't have to worry about going to the store. They don't just send the clamps and clips, but also the tools you'll need. So this crimper tool will be a big help when you're doing your installation. Next up, you'll see the instructions. So they have this instruction sheet where they tell you where you can locate resources to help with your install. SoftStartHome has great resources such as wiring diagrams for just about every model of AC unit and a 24/7 tech support line. If you submit a support ticket, they'll give you a call and talk you through the whole installation. SoftStartUSA even gives you a free extended warranty. So as long as you register your product and leave a review, they will extend your warranty to 3 years. Next up, of course, what you've all been waiting for is the SoftStartHome product. So this is the SoftStartHome 6-ton product, which means that it's able to service up to a 6-ton AC unit on your home. SoftStartHome comes with 3 feet of wire so that anywhere you put it in your AC unit, it will be able to be installed. In addition to that, they put this sticky pad on the back and these 4 screw holes so that it can be mounted. These 3 LED lights are helpful to know as well. The first one will turn red when the unit is doing a self-test. Once the unit starts up, the second one will turn red. And then when it's fully running, the third will turn green and the other 2 will turn off. It even comes with a sticker with a QR code to the SoftStartHome website. That is everything you need to install your SoftStartHome, and it all comes in the box.